Look, I'm extremely proud of this fact that yes, I'm living in a community that is 6-star rated, and I think it goes well with the name that it is Fairwater. So we have to be fair to the environment at the same time. Of course, there are a lot of elements to that. First is the natural landscape. There is connections, there is water, land, there is parks, there is open spaces, and also some of the features that has been made available to the residents. And yes, including one of that is a geothermal unit. The geothermal unit is amazing in the fact that it is very small and compact. At just one corner of the house, you don't even get to know that there is something that is existing there. It is very quiet, very easy to operate. Look, it makes me feel extremely proud that Frasers has given us an opportunity to live in a place keeping the environment in mind by virtue of all the amazing walks, the natural landscape that it has provided, and also some of the features that is provided within the house. So I think this is an amazing place to live in, and we are so proud of it.